There are like 7, 8 guys who really are on the gas.
About to get all real. So yeah, all the hard work you put through the year and coming into the start of the year, it's all about to count now. So we're excited. Yeah, Dakar 2019 is about to kick off.
I focus on myself, just keep going, looking forward, and yeah, we will see how it works.
Just trying to get one day at a time and switch off from race mode to survival, you know. Yeah, we've got a long way to go. We're only just halfway and so much has happened already.
Everything is open, I think, and so now the next 5 days we have to push.
It's going to be fireworks until the last day, I'm sure, but I love it, you know, it's competition.
Toby is suffering a lot. For me, he's a hero. He's still in the race, leading, and today he knew that was important, so he pushed it and suffered it even more. And will be really long these next 2 stages for him for sure.
One more stage to go, 100 Ks. It's going to be a difficult one tomorrow, but I just never like to give up and never like to quit on things, so we'll fight to win the race.